Hello, it's Tom again, and this is Tom's Radio Room Show. And right here I have an antenna switch. It's for switching either two antennas to one radio or one antenna to two radios. And if you noticed closely on one of my recent videos where I was testing the Texan PL880 against the Grundig 750, I was using this switch to switch my one antenna, my outside antenna G5RV, to the two radios. And I was having some difficulty. It was kind of intermittent. So what I was going to do today is I was going to take a look at it. This is an antenna switch that is made in China or Japan, someplace over there, and several companies put their name right here in this little area that they have a decal. Let me zoom in here. And as you can see, this has an MFJ model number. And they sell for about, well, this is one of those things. They sell from like $29 to $79, and it's the same darn thing. So anyway, the beauty of this thing is you can take it apart. So that's what I'm going to do today, and see if I can figure out what was causing that intermittent. So it's just a matter of taking these three screws out. It's easier to take apart than put together, I can remember that. And we're going to see how this thing actually works. And this is for using with a transmitter that carries quite a bit of wattage. I think it's good up to 1500 watts of power, maybe even more, I don't know. And there's the last screw. And then this plate comes off, and it reveals the innards. And here's your input or output, whichever the case would be, which is connected to this bar. And then over here and over here, I don't know if it's showing up very well, is this little metal like band. And that's the part that gets switched in and out of the circuit. Like right now it's turned to this side, so this band here is connected to this metal bar, which of course is soldered to this connection. And then if you flip the switch, then that one is pushed away and this one is connected. And what I did is I took my flashlight and my magnifying glasses, and now that I got them on I can't see anything. I went down, and let me flip these up for a second so I can see if I'm on screen. Okay, if I pull it up too high it gets out of focus, so I gotta keep it down on the desk. But what I did is I inspected that contact, and the light's too bright. I inspected that contact right there, and then this one over here. And I'm going to look at it one more time so I can describe what I see. Is the contact is nice and smooth, but it's almost like it's got some kind of film on it. It's not oil or anything like that. It actually looks like some kind of film. And let me look at the other one, flip it the other way, and that's the same way. So it's not, the contact is not bright and shiny, and it doesn't look like it could easily be cleaned. Let me get it back in the picture here. Easily be cleaned. So I may have to just buy me a new switch. it's going to be hard to get to, and I don't know if I should actually try to sand that, because it might be something that is conductive, and I sand it and then it gets oxidized, making it worse. I will try some contact cleaner in my workshop, but I want to spray contact cleaner all over my desktop. And what I got this week is I got some CRC electrical parts cleaner. It was recommended by several of my viewers. This and another one, I can't remember the other name of the other one. So I got this off of Amazon. Pretty expensive. Although this, I was surprised. This is a big bottle. Let me zoom out here. It's a big can, I should say, of cleaner. It's actually 1 pound of cleaner. And it does come with one of these little tips. So like I say, I'll take this down to my workshop and I'll spray those contacts and see if this helps. So just want to show you mainly what this thing looked like on the inside and how it worked. And if you have any suggestions of cleaning this, like I say, I'm a little afraid of using anything abrasive. So if you have any suggestions, please let me know. That's the show. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.